So what is this? This is first is ping command. Next one is how to connect two commands. You see in the pipe, but there is a pipe and this thing is little different. So what is this? But we'll see the basic ping command. You know, in the from networking onwards, we know definitely what is the ping command, right? So ping in a normal in a Windows system, in general Windows system, you use a ping like a ping. For example, www.google.com. I want to check, can I reach google.com or not? If I am able to reach means my internet is also working. Two confirmations, I can get it. And my DNS also working. So three confirmations I can get. So right now, my PC is IPv6 and IPv4 both are configured here. So I want to get a IPv4 related reply. But whatever it is, guys, if you are observe in a Windows, when I pinging to the destination system, it send a 4 request. It send a 4 ping request. Okay. So finally I receive 4 responses. Okay. So how many requests you are sending? That many responses you will receive it. Okay. One second, wait. Okay. So in the Linux, it's a continuous ping. It means the number of ping requests sending and receiving is not limited. We are keep on, if this Linux machine is keep on sending and will also keep on receiving replies. Okay. So there is no limit, no specific limit. What to do? To stop it, just put a control C to stop the ping. Okay. Stop the ping request. Now, I don't want to do like that. Just I want to send only 4. Okay. Only 4 or maybe only 2 I want to send. Only 2 requests I will send. So then 2 replies I will get it. So it is -C 2. It means only 2 ping requests it will send. Then you will receive 2. Okay. So like that it will work. Okay. Only 2. You want a more. For example, you want a some 5 requests or 6 requests. You required 6. So you put a 6, you will get a 6 out of it. This is a simple ping command. Of course, in Windows, by default is 4. In Linux, the default is a continuous ping. Okay, continuous ping. So in a Linux, you want to send any specific number of ping requests only. Then you have to give -C. So how many number of requests you want to see, that number you have to specify. 2 means 2 requests, 6 means 6 requests. Okay. So in a Windows, by default 4. If you want to increase number of requests, also you can increase it. Okay. You can increase or decrease number of requests also. Okay. Like that. And again, in Windows, you want a continuous ping, you have to use -T. So it is -N space 2 in Windows. So only 2 requests. -N space 6 request. But default is in Windows is 4. You can increase or decrease the number of requests, ping requests in a Windows. In a Linux, it is -c number, that is you have to specify. Here it is -n space number you have to specify. In Windows, you want to get a continuous ping. Just you have to give -t for a continuous ping request. It means continuously it is keep on sending the request and you are getting a reply from the destination. Okay. So here also Control C to start. But it is different in the Linux. In Linux, by default is continuous. In Windows, you have to specify the continuous requirement. Windows, the default is 4. In Linux, default is continuous. Okay. So both the places you can able to modify the number of ping requests. Okay. Guys, understand anything ping request, how to give ping request 1 or 10? Hmm?
Understood, sir.
Right. So I'm also trying to ping to my default gateway. So one request is sent. So successfully I received one sent and I received a packet. If I done something like a 20, so what will happen? -c1 only one request and c1 what it is showing destination host not reachable if I put a 20. If I given something different here it is. Okay. So maybe you will find either request timed out or destination host not reachable. If destination is not available, it shows destination is not available. This particular machine is not available. So it is showing destination host not reachable. This is a not available network. This network is not at all there. My network is 233 network, but this is 231 network, means different network. So it is transmitted a packet but not found. So then it is 100% packet loss. 100% packet loss. One error. One transmitted, zero received, plus one error, 100% packet loss. Here it is one transmitted, zero received, 100% packet loss. For this one, so earlier one, here it is, this output, right? So one packet transmitted, one received, zero packet loss. Okay. So this is actually putting, this is giving an output and this one, here it is, this one. This command also providing some kind of output. Yes. But this is what we are getting an error. This is what we are getting an error. Okay. So you remember that in IO redirection, input output redirection, right? So here I am putting the ping -c1 192.168.233.2 default gateway I'm pinging. Okay. If this outcome is successful outcome, so I will tell run this one. If it is failed, do like this. I want to tell, okay, if this outcome is output is successful output, okay, do like this. Fail, do like this. Okay. But the running command, I don't require that. What is the running thing is required. Okay, we'll see. This is called ampersand. It means if first command executed successfully and do the second command. So second command is just I am putting a echo success. Okay. If first command executed successfully, execute the second command. Echo failed. If first command executed but failed, outcome is wrong outcome. Okay. Means host not reachable gets a error. Okay. Error. So then it is execute this one after. So this is a like a end type only. This is a logical end. This is a logical OR gate type. If first command executed successfully means output is success, then run this command. If it is failed, run this command. So that's the meaning of this one. Okay. So, and if you see, the command is successful. One packet transmitted, one received, zero loss. Means it is showing successful. Same thing I am putting a instead of 2, I put a 20. So I will get a host not reachable, right? So it's a host not reachable. Error 100% packet loss. What I got it is failed. What I got it is failed. Okay. Understand, guys? Dot put. Um, okay. So finally, guys, understand this command. I asked this. Understand the what is an outcome, how it is working. Okay. This is giving a wrong means it's a failed error. So I got it a failed. Error vowel. You don't understand also we can tell guys so no one will come and bite you. Okay. Okay, no one will reduce your marks if you are say I don't understand. Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Then why you people are
Yes, sir.
not responding? You're only for if 30, 40 members are there means no problem. We can one or two members respond. Okay. So while I'm executing this, so what happening here it is I'm also show it is also showing some kind of outcome, right? So either it is success or failure, it is showing. I don't want. I want to see only the success or failed, not the output or error message like this. Output or error, I don't want it. I want only either failed or a success. If it is success, success, failed means failed only. So I don't want whether it is output or error. I don't want it. So what to do? So I'm redirecting my either output or error. Both output and error. I'm redirecting to the null only. Okay. I don't want to get any out of it. So command is successful, then execute the second command. Command is not successful, execute that another command, right? Now it is showing failed. For example, I am trying to communicate to this to default gateway is successful. Same thing, I put a google.com, try google.com. Successful. Okay, it's a kind of a scripting type. Okay, so this is one. So what is this? Connecting one command to another command. Where I use this command, generally, regularly I use this command. So when I doing an update, m update -y, including yes. So when you put a m update, it will ask you yes or no kind of stuff. So here it is. I put directly y, yes. Okay. So don't ask me, take it as a yes. This is a command. After this command executed, how to reboot my PC. After updated my system, how to react better, I have to reboot my system. So I have to wait till the updation is completed. Sometimes it is very less update, maybe a 10 or a packages need to be updated. That's it. Sometimes it is 200, sometimes 300. Last time it is taken totally with the actual packages and dependencies, 1400. Okay, more than 1400 it is taken. So last update. Okay, so what happened it is I have to wait till all the completion, then I have to reboot it. After reboot again I have to log in. Okay, so that's again I have to wait now. So instead of that one, if this first one is successfully completed, once update is completed, then reboot your system. How to do it? Like this. Okay, so yum update -y ampersand reboot. If first command is successful, execute the second command. Okay, so any combination you can go do it. Okay, this is the one of the thing is very useful for me. Okay, so while you are working on any Linux systems, you are setting up any Linux based services or servers, these commands are very important. Okay, so for example, you want to see the status of service status, as well as you want to start the service, or like you want to check the start the service and as well as service start. So you can do it like this. Both you can able to try to do it. Okay. For example, I have a web server, so system CPL. Start. I want to start my HTTPD. Okay. So this is one command. If this command is successfully started, execute the status command also. Okay. So it is first is started. Next one is status also checking. So like this, you can connect the two commands using this. It's a different from pipe. Pipe is means the first command output is input to the second command. Input to the second command. That is a pipe. Okay. And ampersand is if first command is executed successful, then second command will execute. So it's a connecting two commands. Okay. End or kind of stuff. It's not exactly end or type. Okay. But end or is different kind. But it's like end or. Logical end, logical or. Okay. Pipe means if first command is not executed properly, then do the second one. So that time you can see, you can put a systemctl status httpd. If the service is stopped, then start. Like that you can able to. Okay. Okay. This is the ping command, and as well as what we learn is how to connect a two commands. Okay. So guys, this major part is completed. So actually we should go through this, what we can say, what we say. Yeah. First, I will go with some user management administration. Then we'll go back to the little bit of chmod commands and other things. Chmod I can able to show you right now, but what we need is to understand group management kind of stuff like group wise access and all. We'll see. Okay. So next one we'll go to the group. Just a minute. Okay. 1 minute only. So what I need is administration. So this is your basic, and where is that?